undergoing renovation. And today, papakita ko sa inyo yung first ever residential condominium dito sa Capital Town, which is Chelsea Park Place. So, ito yung lobby natin for the Chelsea Park Place. And tara punta tayo sa amenity area. So, andito tayo naman sa daycare area natin for the Chelsea Park Place. Meron din sariling toilet and bathroom daycare natin. So, this is the actual turnover unit ng 2-bedroom at 86 square meters ng Chelsea Park Place. So, upon turnover, meron na tayong split type aircon na included. Tapos, nandito yung living and dining area natin. Tapos, meron din tayong balcony dito. So, dito naman tayo sa kitchen area natin. So, meron tayong parking area. So, after turnover, kasama nito overhead cabinet. Tapos itong granite countertop at saka itong other counter cabinet. Tapos meron tayong provision for the refrigerator dito. And nandito naman yung kids room natin, yung sariling toilet and bath. So dito naman meron tayong mini hallway. So this is the first bedroom. So, included na rin dito yung modular cabinet and itong split type aircon. Tapos dito, this is the common toilet and bath. So, lahat ng nakikita ninyo dito is included na rin upon turnover. And ito naman ang master's bedroom natin na may sariling balcony. And dito naman, meron tayong kasamang modular cabinet and sariling toilet and bath. So, Chelsea Park Place, as low as 7.5% down payment, pwede na kayo mag-booking. And you can message me on my contact details below and we can schedule a showroom or Zoom presentation.